Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real official one and only original, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes or imposters. And this is Burgh Unboxing. And I got in the mail here this stuff. This says, meow and Happy New Year to George and the kitties. Well, the kitties will not be eating this. Stretch Island Organic Fruit Strips, grape flavored, real fruit, and pocket-sized fruit sips, non-GMO, USDA organic. I always wondered about because everything that grows that you eat is organic. It's all organic, even though they say this is organic. It's grown without pesticides. All right, so there's 6 of these. Now I tried one of these earlier. My late friend Glenn, used to eat fruit roll-ups. It was pure chemicals. It tasted horrible. So we're going to try this. And they have a guy in a ship here. A sea of grapes and other fruits. So let's try this. All right. I do not eat these in the normal course. I eat real fruit. So, except for the Welch's fruit snacks, which I love, and they've recently sued because they got told, they said they had unadulterated fruit or something, and it didn't have it. All right. Well, the one I ate the other day, maybe it was the way my mouth was acting. I didn't care for it. This is okay. Thank you, but frankly, I'm going to eat grape. I'm going to drink grape juice and eat real grapes. I'm not going to eat these things. So I appreciate the gesture. I appreciate the gift. But I'll munch on these. Can't figure out why they call it Stretch Island. Maybe they stretch the grapes out and torture them. I don't know. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. I'm so tired I forgot to say that. And go Steelers. Bye-bye for now.